Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you the last part of this chapter, metals and non-metals in class 7th chemistry. So in this video I am just going to discuss you about the term metalloids and uses of the metalloids. First thing, what is metalloids? होते क्या हैं? So metalloids are the elements having property of both metals and non-metals. That means आप इसको ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि वो एलिमेंट those shows the properties of metals and non-metals both, they are known as the metalloids. Okay, so some common metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium, antimony, arsenic, etc. Okay, now let us see the uses of the metalloids कि इन metalloids के uses क्या क्या होते हैं. तो first metalloid which I am going to discuss over here, that is the silicon. Okay, now so silicon is a metalloid which is hard and brittle and solid with blue gray metallic luster. That means इसके अंदर metallic luster होता है and hard and brittle भी होता है. So it is widely utilized for making in computer chips. It is utilized for making the computer chips. Okay, it is also used for making the resistors. It is also used for making the solar cells. It is also used for making the integrated circuits and making the glass. Okay, now one more thing it is going to make, that is in the silicon. It is used for making the silicon and this silicon it is a man-made substance. ये क्या होता है? ये man-made substance होता है which is the combination of silicon plus other chemical. जो silicon और other chemical composition से मिलकर के बना हुआ होता है. ये silicon, this silicon is very important material and it is used for packing the tin food. It is used for packing the tin food. It is also used for making the non-stick pans. Because of the heat resistant, it is also used for making the lining of the raincoats. Okay, now let us see the other metalloid, that is the germanium. So this germanium, like the silicon, it is the lustrous and hard brittle and it is also used for making the thermal imaging cameras. It is used for thermal imaging cameras. It is also used for making the resistors. Okay, now it is one more important of this, it is also used for making the plastic as a catalyst. That means plastic manufacturing में ये as a catalyst utilize किया जाता है. Now let us see the another metalloid, that is the antimony. So antimony, it is the metalloid which is silvery gray in color and it is having the acid resistor. So this is the very good quality of this antimony, it is acid resistor. So you must keep it in your mind, which metalloid is acid resistor? Antimony. Now as it is acid resistor, so it is used for making the batteries. It is also used for making the bullets. Okay, now it is also used for making the musical instrument. And it is also used for making the medicines, automobile seat covers and the toys. Okay, now Let's move toward the last topic of this chapter, that means the noble gases and uses of the noble gases. So noble gases की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो 6 noble gases are there: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay, now first I am going to discuss about the helium, that what is the use of the helium. So when I was taught you about the non-metals, that time I told you that hydrogen is the lightest gas. So helium is the second lightest gas present in the nature, and that is why it is used as in filling. किस चीज़ की फिलिंग में? इन द मेट्रोलॉजिकल बैलून. इन मेट्रोलॉजिकल बैलून. और ये मेट्रोलॉजिकल बैलून, व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजिकल बैलून? इट इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टडी द वेदर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर welding the things. Now helium is a gas. When this helium is mixed with oxygen, it is utilized for giving the asthma patient. तभी asthma patient को देने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है. Those who are having the difficulty in the breathing. Now let us see the another noble gas like the argon. So argon, it is also a gas which is colorless, odorless, non-flammable as well as non-toxic. Non-toxic भी होती है. So where it is utilized? It is utilized in the filling in the bulbs and tubes. It is utilized in filling of bulbs and tubes. Okay. Other thing, it is also utilized in the glow sign board. It is also utilized for welding and manufacture of the steel. Now let's move toward the another noble gas like krypton. So krypton, it is a gas which is like the argon, colorless, odorless, and it is utilized in filling gas in fluorescent lamps or fluorescent light. Just like the CFL flashlight, it is also used in the lasers and high speed photography. Okay, now let's move toward the another gas like the xenon and radon. So this xenon gas, it is used in the flash lamp. It is used in flash lamp, laser. It is also used in the spacecraft as a propellant and in the arc lamps. Okay, now let us see the another gas, that is the radon. Okay. Here I have did the Rn. Previously I have written by mistake Ra. So this is Rn. Okay, radon. So radon is the gas which is radioactive. It is radioactive. Now, so इसका यूटिलाइजेशन कहाँ होता है? In the radiotherapy. For the cancer patient, that means the cancer patient, those who are suffer from the cancer, they are just giving the radiation, and this radon gas is utilized for the cancer therapy. Okay, so This is all about this chapter, metal and non-metals. I hope you all understand whatever I had taught to you and watch the video properly so that everything is clear to you. Now this chapter is over here. We will meet with you in the next chapter with the next topics. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.